we have important updates regarding the DeBridge airdrop. The checker is live, so we're gonna go look at the point, the distribution, and what to expect and how much you can earn. So with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first, as you see over here, new Berachain NFT over on Zora. We already got ours. It is 0.0007 ETH, so approximately $2. Make sure to go and grab yours if you haven't done it. We are collecting this for the Berachain airdrop, as we see over here. We are collecting all of them. We have collected in previous videos, so make sure to go and grab yours. It's this one, this video. You will find the link down below, and it could potentially be for the airdrop over on Berachain. So make sure to go and grab it. We got it already over here, one of them. Following up, if you do want, and if you did like how the DeBridge airdrop allocation worked, and how is it gonna go, and by the way, a lot of the people are eligible to go and claim it as soon as the TG happens, which we're gonna go and see. Another airdrop that is, you see here, 307,000 points. I am farming it a lot. Is the Owelto airdrop that I do believe is gonna have good profits on it. We got $150 million valuation as well. We have just finished this one, the mint number 4 for the NFT. Plays myself 158 with 174 bridges. I am farming it a lot, as I said, but I do believe this is the next big airdrop. They also have missions over here on the side to give you extra points, something that DeBridge never had. DeBridge was simply a interact to transaction, and that is about it. We do have, as we see over here, points as well. So make sure to go and check it out. Make sure to go and earn it if you do wish. I will leave you the link down below. I am farming it quite a lot, as we see over here, with 307,000 points as of today. Following up, we got a SCOOK airdrop distribution starting in September 1st. So in approximately 18 days, we got this one, and the snapshot was taken, by the way, April 12th. So it was quite a while back, and it did take a while to go and have this distribution as well, but you could be eligible for it as well. So let's go and see. You needed to have a minimum of 100 Osmo token or AMP Osmo stacked, minimum of 10 Atom token stacked, at least 10 ST Atom or 100 ST Osmo in your wallet, at least one NFT of this one, which once again, NFTs are important, and this is why I keep on going on minting on Zora all the project NFTs, such like the Berachain or the others that we do talk about in this video, because for the airdrop they are important. And here we see why. Also, we had 3 choices for an NFT. We got 1 minimum ROR token stacked, 1 minimum AMP ROR or MIOAR in your wallet, depositor of the ST Atom Vault. So if you are within the Atom or the Cosmos ecosystem, congratulations, you will receive this airdrop as far as you meet this minimum criteria. Following up, we got another airdrop for Dimension Stakers, DYDX, JMX users, and Gitcoin donors. How to go and claim the Aigisos roll drop that we have seen it before, but I will leave you also this tweet down below. There is 9% of total supply allocated, so 90 million token to the AIG. Eligibility at least 1 dimension stake. So if you are a dimension staker, if you still support the chain, or you simply never sold on that chain, you will be eligible for this airdrop. So congratulations. Go make sure to go and grab your allocation, claim your allocation over on their Discord. Very simple to do, and I will leave you all down below. Following up, the juice of the biscuit for this one, we got the DeBridge Foundation DBR checker over here. So we got a whole tweet, which I will leave you down below because I do encourage you to go and tweet. But the most important thing is there's gonna be a total supply of 10 billion tokens, initial circulation supply of 1.8 billion, and it is gonna be on Solana, as we see over here. 10% for community and launch, 5% for DeBridge Foundation, and 3% ecosystem. Now, I do believe the airdrop allocation is very little. I did think that as an airdrop, we would receive way more at the beginning, also because they're breaking down the 10% community. 2% is for the LFG Vault, 1% is for the Jupiter DAO LFG Award. So if you did vote over here on the Jupiter situation that we had the possibility to go and vote over here on the governance, you would have the possibility and you will be eligible for this airdrop if you did compete in one of these, one of these possibility, the round 2 vote over here for DeBridge. If you did vote it over here, you had the possibility to go and be eligible for it. We also have Mitera Dynamic Pool. If you're participating, you will get as well an allocation, and season 1 point distribution only 6%. Now, it does seem like a big hit. Will we be able to go and recover from the spending that we did in terms of this? I believe so. I believe it is gonna be anyway proportion to it. Absolutely, yes. I did spend a lot of fees in this one. I did spend quite a few $1,000s for this one, simply because I did really believe in it. I did wish that although the season 1 point distribution in terms of allocation would be 10 or 12 or 15% so that everybody could enjoy it more. We got also the rest of the community and launch pool unlocked at TG is distributed for 0.1 holders. So what this means is that if you are within the top 10%, for example, over here, this is one of my 2 wallets. I do have a Solana wallet and I do have an EVM wallet, and I will be giving part of this away to my Patreon member. The link is down below if you want to join and be rewarded. Here, for example, we had 44,000 points and I will receive 8,000 DBR tokens. So if it does launch and it stays stable at 10 cents, I will have $800 for this. But bear in mind, as we see here, you're a DeBridge power user and make up for the top 10% of the leaderboard. So this means that I only will be able to sell 4,000 DBR token at launch, and 50% will be claimable at TG. So approximately, if we count it at a 10-cent mark, then it will be at for $435, and then 50% will be vested over the next 6 months. After, you will be able to go and claim it after 6 months. Here you have the possibility to sign and continue, for example, with the Phantom over here. We can connect it. You can sign the terms over here by claiming the DBR token. You agree to DeBridge terms and conditions, origin to red, etc. This is the official website, by the way, for the DeBridge Foundation, and you are good to go and do it. So very, very simple. I have read, sign, and terms the condition as you wish. If you have multiple wallets, simply click over here and go and exit the wallet that you have right now, as you see, and you go and connect another wallet, for example, the MetaMask one, and you go and do all of them things. But the distribution, as you see here, 0.1 DBR, 10%, it is what is the most important. The claiming, it is not live. So please do not listen to anybody over here on the comments saying, you know, claiming is live, or you have a fake page like this one, oh, claiming is live. Do not click it. It is an absolute scam. We see here a little bit of how the community is reacting. As we see, no, the community is not super happy about the 60% or the 50% now and the 50% in a couple of months. If you are part of the 10%, there could be a few bonuses to it, in terms that at least this prevents the massive sell-off that happens when an airdrop launches. We've seen it with the W token on Solana, the wormhole token. We've seen it with Jupiter at the beginning. So it is one way to be like, okay, let's just give the money out, and then after 6 months, potentially with buybacks, we can raise the price and people will get more in 6 months than what you're selling. For example, it could be that at launch price you sell 50%, but in 6 months that 50% could be worth 2 or 3 times more. We will see about that. But they are preventing from selling it. Now, the other thing is, if they are preventing us from selling it, like this one, for example, it's a fake page. Do not click on it. The original post, if you see anything on Twitter, has the OP logo over here, and it is from the DeBridge Foundation, not from this other BS over here, which is written like DeBridge Foundation. So do not click on that. But it is a little bit of a bias situation. So I'm happy with it in terms of the price. They're trying not to make it dip as soon as possible, otherwise everybody would sell. Or you have the possibility to, I hope they're not gonna give many points to people, or have the possibility for people to sell it, investors, immediately. So I hope this is just for everybody kind of the same. We all have, you know, see here a lot of people having 1,000 tokens, 8,000 in terms of everything. If you are not part of the 10%, by the way, it is okay. You are be able to sell your 100% allocation at time of recording. This is a little bit of a price prediction, as we see over here, depending on the FDV that they will go and be released on. So let's go and see how they do it. 10 cent is quite optimistic, as we see over here, but we will see. Potentially the best idea to be is to have the at least the money back on your fees guarantee. As I said, I did spend quite a lot of money on it. This is not the only airdrop. This is not the only wallet that I did have over here, the Solana one. I also have my EVM wallet or the MetaMask wallet. So let's go and see how this happened. But as of right now, make sure to go and check it. I will leave you the link down below so you can go and see it. I will leave you this tweet, the official tweet down below, to see also how the people react. Next up, we do have an Ellis NFT minting is right now live over on the Cosmos ecosystem. If you've been active on the testnet, so it's simply for testnet users, which I have not been able to be active on their testnet user, nor I didn't even know about this airdrop before today's possibility of the NFT. So if you weren't an early testnet user, do not worry about. There is no public mint. This NFT might be crucial for the upcoming Ellis airdrop. The floor tier 1 is 5.2k stars. The floor tier 2 is 720 stars. The link, I will leave it to you down below where you can go and get it over on Stargaze over here, stargaze.com. But it is, as we said, only for testnet participants. So make sure that you come and you have the possibility to do it. It's not that I can go in and buy it if I did not participate in the testnet. That's very important to keep in mind. Following up, we got an update on the unicorn token over here on Solana. It is now tradable if you had the possibility to go and participate, and if you had the possibility to go and claim it. As we see over here, you had this possibility on the claim, which is this one over here. Let me go and see the unicorn.meme.dashboard. It was the page that you have the possibility to go and do it. This is the dashboard. If you remember, we did go and claim it already, but now you have the possibility to go and also sell it if you do wish, which is quite important in terms of the deck screen situation and your allocation. Simply go over here to the deck screen, connect your wallet, and we can see that it is over here. We can also go and connect our Kepler wallet, which is very, very simple over here. We're going to connect the Kepler wallet, and you have the possibility also to go and claim. This is it. You got some balance. You got altruism in you, so make sure to go and get it. The unicorn token, your balance is 19,000 UWU. The amount to send over here, we're gonna go and send the 19.726.80, all of them. Destination address, well, this is completely up to you whether you want it. There's not a number, bro. Okay, what did I do wrong? But anyway, you can go and put the destination address. For example, I will go and put my Solana address as it is over on Solana. Click over here and click over on send. If you want to go and send it, click over here where I do believe I did put a wrong one over here. It is a comma, not a dot, I do believe, as we see over here. Or simply let's just put all of the balance. So 19,726. So this is what potentially you would be able to go and do, and click over to send. Once it is sent, seems like something happened. There is not a valid unicorn address, so you know how to control C. So let's go and see which of the other possibility you do have to go and send it, whether it is over here on Solana, or as we see here on Kepler wallet, it is the other option for you to go and insert your wallet and go and do all of the goodies. But I will leave you this link down below so you're able to go and claim as well your unicorn token over here. But as we see over here, it is trading at less than 20% of a cent. So yeah, not that big of an allocation, but still something that you can sell and potentially reinvest in some meme coins and do whatever you want to do with the meme coin situation. Following up, we do have also an update over here on 3 more airdrop are going to come from the Layer 3 Foundation and the Layer 3 airdrop, 36 months with additional forward locking RFP4 protocol. So if you are farming Layer 3, expect to have more airdrop allocation and more airdrop opportunities for the future with it. But with that said, thank you for watching, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.